Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
So anyways, we're gonna go down that way and we're gonna follow this little University street. And we got this in here. So I don't know what that leads to. Some nice birds though. And it looks like the students would live in this area, which is pretty cool. Got that beautiful stairwell and that cross pathway. Okay, here's a street that I haven't filmed before. This one to the right, it's called University Avenida de Universidade, I believe. And you can look right into Taipa Centro straight ahead. And in the background is even Venetian Casino. So you can see quite a bit from this space. And then you can see this says Macau University of Tourism to the left. So we're actually at the kind of a university area, and we're gonna go down to University Street. And we're also going to give you this side of it because you can see quite a bit, which I'll explain in a moment. But this road just follows these universities, and I'll tell you more about it right after we come back. But this is going to be our target street, right there, right through there. Whew, stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. See, I would go up that street. So let me just kind of give you a little bit of context to where we are. So we're up on this overpass, and you can see through that rain guard. You can also see this beautiful views right here. And yeah, this is actually the library right there, I believe. So we're gonna come over here and we're gonna go down and then go up our street. It looks like this one, but yeah, this is kind of cool too though, because look at that. So actually this is all another street that I haven't filmed it recently, so I'm gonna probably film that later today as well. Let me just kind of give a view. So now you can see all this stuff, and that's one of the things I wanted to share was this bridge in the background. That's the future Macau bridge. It's actually the 4th bridge, but that's in the distance. The one in the foreground, the other bridge, is one that goes to the northern part of Macau. We're in Taipa right now. Maybe you saw that on the map, that the location of where we are. So anyways, we're gonna go down that way and we're gonna follow this little University street. It is some pretty nice views up here. And to do that, we're gonna go down this way. And you got more nice views right here. Yeah, this campus is kind of amazing, to be honest, because it has all this up and down kind of stuff. And what I mean by that is you think you're on, you come into the elevator and it's like, you think it's the ground floor, but it's like the 5th floor. And then you are suddenly you're on the ground floor on the 9th floor. And then it goes down like -5. I'll try to explore inside one of these days, inside the campus. So we're gonna go down our target street. And to do that, we need to be on the ground floor. So that's our university area, and it looks like we have to go this way to go across. So we're gonna come over this way, and then we're gonna go across this way. And so yeah, that's where we were just at, right? And then now you can see the background and you can see the university sign. Universidade de Turismo de Macau. And here's a little local bus taking students up to the universities. And I believe, as far as I know, there's like several universities in this area. This used to be the University of Macau, and then it all changed. And University of Macau moved to another location. And then this one stayed. That used to be the University of Macau's library. And now it's the Macau University of Tourism. Probably should do more university ones. So we're gonna walk up this way and kind of follow this road. And I do wonder what this would be like. Today is actually a Saturday, so I think the universities end fairly soon, so I won't be able to catch all the students. Institute of something about quality insurance, quality. Hopefully we see a sign. I think it's called University Avenue. We got a little parking lot here. That's our views down below. It's our university buildings. And then over here it looks like we have a parking lot. So I'm just gonna come over here to see what's over on this side. Okay. See, looks like there's a lot of green space, barbed wire all the way across. We're gonna go down this way. This one I can see more. That's type of central in the background. We just kind of see where we can. Okay. Yeah, a yellow building and a green building. Those are right down in the Avenida de Sun Yat-sen. The yellow building is a fire station. It's kind of interesting to see them from up here. University Polytech. So okay, this is where it gets confusing because we haven't seen our university sign yet. And there's another street here. Another street here. And we got this in here. So I don't know what that leads to. Some nice birds though. Huh. Okay, so now it's a little bit confusing. So we came up that road. Now we have this road that would go higher up. We also have Macau Polytech University. And then we have the road that goes that direction as well. So let me just, this goes, that looks like a light that would come on at nighttime. So yeah, it looks like I have to make a choice, so I choose this way, and we'll just label the street. I think it's going to be called University. I kind of can't help but think this might be a nicer video in the evening when the lights are coming on. So we're going to try our best to capture the feeling of this street. The Polytech University right there. And we are going to keep going down this way. And then actually this one actually says student dorm. So this is actually for the Polytech. So we started out and it was the Macau Tourism, and then now we have the Polytech. And it looks like the students would live in this area, which is pretty cool. Got that beautiful stairwell and that cross pathway. And then that one looks like it goes to the university classes. So if you're up here, you would have to have no fear of heights whatsoever. You're basically up on a hill. You got parking lot stuff that says MPU. Yeah, I guess it's a good day. I film it during the day, and then another time I'll film it at night, and I'll capture the beauty of it, because I think it would be quite beautiful at night. Now it says CityU. So this one says CityU. So it says City University of Macau. And there's actually a convenience store as well. And it looks like you got stuff up that way. Let me just see what this is. I think that's like little places to sit. You got a convenience store in here. Let's just go straight through. And then we got some new signs over here as well, which I believe are going to be health science, Peking University. So we got another university. So that's Polytechnic, NPU. So it looks kind of a, there it is right there. Peking University Health Science Center, Macau Polytechnic University Nursing Academy. So that's for the nurses. Oh, that looks nice up there. There's a nice chandeliers up in that. There's a big windows up there. Pretty cool. And it's built into these rocks as well, right? And we got another sign coming up here. And I think this one is also Polytechnic University as well. So that's the nursing. And you have 3 flags. You got China, mainland China, and Macau flag. Let's see what this is. Nothing. Electrical boxes. So that's kind of like the front desk of that space. Okay, so I do wonder what this would look like in the evening and when all the students are here. And then you got all of that as well. Okay, so we're gonna go down and then we're gonna capture the street name, which I believe is University Street, which I saw on the map. But I don't see it here anywhere. But we're gonna find out in a moment, so we're gonna go all the way down. And our street's gonna end at this circle. And then I believe it comes out to Avenida de Pereira. Oh, we'll see. We'll see it in a moment. So, okay. So that's basically where we just came up from. Let's go back down a little bit. So we're gonna come down to this space here. And then we're gonna end it. So the bus stop is right there. And then you can see it just keeps going all the way downhill. And we're gonna just kind of show you where we came from. So there's a sign for City University of Macau right there. And so our particular street, doing some construction over there. And then we're just gonna turn this way so you can see what's on this side. It's just a giant wall. And we're gonna go across here. And then we're gonna end our street in a moment. City University. And that was the one that we just did up there. So stop. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la